How to decode and pick Honda door lock via LISHI of Honda 2021 version. The first step, confirm the wafer's positions. A group is up, 5 wafers. B group is down, 3 wafers. And now we'll pick the lock. From the first position, touch it. Click if it is blocked. The second, if it is spongy. Go for another one. It's blocked. Click it. The fourth is the same spongy. The fifth spongy. Here we'll pick the B group. It's blocked. Click it. And then we'll touch the second position. Click it. The third is spongy. We will try again, one by one. Click it if it's blocked. The third. The fifth. And now we'll decode the lock. The first is 3. The second is 1. The third is 5. The fourth is also 5. The fifth is 1. Decode the other side. 3. 1. 5. All biddings are ready. We'll cut this key by the M2Tank CNC key cutting machine. How to make a key? The first, we have to get a groove at the key blank. Please make a record. The width of groove is 120. The length is 2,900. The cutting depth is 75. Click the generated key type. And then click Modify Key. Select Modify Key. Choose Key Groove. We'll input the data that we measured. The width is 120. The length is 2,900. The cutting depth is 75. Finally, click Cut. Here we'll install the key blank on the clamp. Click Continue. We finished the first step. This step will make a key by LISHI code. Click Key Database. Vehicle Data. Here we can look for Honda Civic. Enter Honda Civic. We'll select Honda 2021. Here we'll install key blanks on the clamp. If it's ready, click Continue. Here we'll input the code from LISHI. Click B for other side. Continue. Here we will input 315. The fourth is fixed depth. Return back to A. Cut a side first. One side is finished, and change the other side. Click B. Click Continue. Click Cut. Continue.